everybody, I'm just new here. This is my channel. I am Brianna Bakes. My name is Brianna and this is my brand new channel. It's only about my second video, but I'm probably going to be doing more as time goes on. So today I'm just doing some easy meal prep for your kids' snacks. I know kids snack like crazy, and eating all the fruit snacks and everything else is so horrible for them. I hate seeing them eat all of that stuff, so I've come up with kind of a few things to make things easier for you and healthier for them. So I have some oatmeal bites, some oat bars, and as well as some little muffins. You can make them even smaller if you need. So we'll just get right into it and go ahead. So let's go. This beautiful thing has just come out after being in there for about 28 minutes, so I'm going to cut it and show you what it looks like after it's cut. Ready, let's go. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this, and give it a thumbs up if you like this type of category for a video. Thanks. See ya.